Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another brand new video for you guys only. Yes. And in this video, we are going to talk about Yoko. What about her? First of all, let me ask you guys this question right here. Have you guys watched this video of mine? Yeah. I actually just uploaded this video a few hours ago. So if you haven't watched it yet, go and watch it first. Trust me, you gotta watch this. Go and watch it first, then come back here again so that you guys can understand this video better. So in this video, again, we are going to talk about Yoko and 9 Star. Do you guys remember, just in my previous video, we have actually talked about something. Yeah, we have actually talked about Yoko's repost on her Insta. Very specifically, we have actually talked about this one right here. Yeah. Do you guys remember it? And we were discussing about how Yoko is so done with 9 Star. Yoko doesn't want to do anything with 9 Star. You guys know it. Yoko just wants to get out from that shippy, that evil company. Do you guys remember it? Yeah. And guess what? She has she has reposted loads of stuff on her Insta again. Yeah. Now let me show you guys those two posts, then we are going to talk about it briefly. Of course, you guys know me. Let me show you guys the post. See, it's right there. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So you guys have seen those two reposts. Now, I want to know your opinion about it. What does it say to you guys? What those two reposts actually mean to you guys? Now, I want to share my opinion, all right? Yeah, I want to share my opinion. So, let's see. You guys will see this on the screen. At first, sorry. At first, let me talk about this one. Let it end, let it hurt, and let it heal, let it go. You guys know it. What does it mean? It actually, Yoko is directly, legit pointing at 9 Star. I don't care what anyone says. 9 Star is legit hurting her. You guys know it. The evil things that 9 Star doing, the dirty moves that 9 Star pulling, you know. It's just hurting Yoko. And not to mention, it is majorly hurting Yoko's reputation as an artist as well. I hope you guys get it. I hope you guys get it. See, this is Yoko sending us hints. Wait. I have to say another thing. I'm not being biased here. Why I'm saying this? Wait, let me explain. Loads of people, after seeing that repost, loads of toxic haters are saying that Yoko might talk about Faye via this report. Maybe Yoko is talking about Faye. Maybe their relationship has ended. Maybe there is nothing between Faye and Yoko anymore. Or basically, they are just saying that Yoko indirectly saying all of these things to Faye. To Faye Yoko, basically. But wait, I don't think so. Because just right after that, Yoko's another repost. You guys can see here. It says, I never fake care to anyone. What I give from heart. There you go. This is Yoko's way of showing things. This is Yoko's way of showing the truth. She is legit screaming that she has never faked it. She legit admire Faye so much. She legit cares so much for Faye. This is what my interpretation of this whole thing is. Yeah. This is all my understanding, and this is my point of view, my opinion. I might be wrong, but yeah, you guys can correct me if you guys think that I am saying something wrong. But to me, I really think that Yoko is legit screaming everything. Yoko is showing us the truth. That's There you go. Yoko is legit pointing out every freaking thing out there. You guys know, due to her contract and legal, you know, things, she can't say anything out loud. Yeah. You guys know about NDS, right? We have actually talked about it. So, you guys know she can't say anything right now. But, as I always say, action speaks louder than words. Those reposts are screaming. Those reposts are loud, loud, loud. I don't care what anyone says. This is my personal belief. There you go. Think about it, guys. And another thing, I can be sure you guys are sure as well. I know it. That Yoko is hurting. Those three reposts. And before that, even, those reposts actually describing, explaining one thing. Right now, our Yoko is literally hurting so much. Yes. Right now, she is actually hurting so much. We know that. We know. Right now, Yoko just want to let everything go. Right now, Yoko just wants to let go from Nine Star. She just wants to get out. She just wants her freedom back. She doesn't want to be caged anymore. She wants to heal. That's for sure. It's loud and clear. I mean, all the reposts are actually explaining that, telling that. Now, what do you guys think? What's your opinion about it? As I said, if you feel like I'm saying something wrong, you guys can correct me 1,000 times. I don't mind. But yeah, to me, from my point of view, as I'm saying all of these things, I'm seeing everything. You know, I really think that Yoko is sending the whole fandom some sorts of message, some sorts of hints, some sorts of signals. That's it. I really think that. Yes. Our Yoko, she is legit suffering so much, right? She is legit hurting so much. I just pray and hope that this havoc, this mess, may soon end. That's it. Let's hope for the best. As for now, let's see. That's it. I know we have talked about it a lot, and it may sound, heavy. I know, but guys, don't lose any hope. Don't be sad. Just think about it. Our whole fandom is united, and we are here for each other. I know it's okay to feel bad sometimes, but as I said, remember, we are here for each other. We are here together. Yeah, that's it. This is all I want to say to you guys. Anyway, so what's your thoughts and your opinion about the whole video, about everything that I have discussed? Let me know in the comment section below. All right. So yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Sorry. And do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very, very soon, with new video, with new update. Till then, take care and keep smiling. And of course, keep an eye on the channel for regular and new update. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.